Baby, like so, what? Can you teach me how to tell you? You know why? Cause all the bitches love. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You to back it up and touch it. Put your arms out front, let me side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that double ride. Ain't nobody fuckin' with my brother mama side. He go by Papa, and he hit that double thug. I ain't from Dallas, but I D-Town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody tryna do me. I live functions and all the ladies tryna steal me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it. Niggas love to hate, so they try to screw me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright, niggas try to glue me. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
He's coming to the game? He's coming to the game on Saturday?
Yeah. I'll go for both Fiji and Tonga, man. Yeah.
With us tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Blacktown City Mayor who's going to say a few words on behalf of the ladies and gentlemen, please put that together for the Blacktown City Mayor, Stephen Burley, ladies and gentlemen.
Did you leave school early? It's coming? Yeah. Yeah, they remember you ate a whole thing. It's a long line, I think, fun. Good luck on the weekend. Thank you so much. Took it off. I'd like 6, I'd too many. Good luck on the weekend. I'm sorry, what do you want me to do? Yeah,
Your kids are never going to watch your speech. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I thought it'd be like a lover in Arab or something. Big excuses.
Good luck on the weekend.
Thanks, brother. It's wicked. Oh,
Come, Kevin. You gotta wait here. Sign some signatures. You gotta wait here. Gents. Thank you.
Give me the signature. Thank you. Hey, my brother. Also, thank you.
Also like to thank obviously all of the teams, our coaches, all of our Six Nations that are representing in the Pacific Test match Invitational this weekend. I also like to thank
The Rugby League World Cup, yeah. So you're welcome to take as many photos as you want. You can take a photo with it. The only thing we ask is just don't touch it, that's all.
Another big shout out to my man DJ Mecca on the 1s and 2s right now, ladies and gentlemen. Blasting all of the Pacific Sound.